Hi, I'm Andrew Stevenson, and in today's video it's another income report. This is from my 5th month of KDP, which was May 19. Just a reminder that this is when I've completely lost interest in it, so I haven't created books for a couple of months, and I've probably only got maybe 10 or something on my listings. So just a warning, it's not very good, but it gets better as time goes on. I just want to show you this to be truthful. Not everyone's making thousands of pounds in the first couple of months. But yeah, so this is when I completely lost interest in it. Work gets in the way, and you're just doing other things. So I sort of a measly 8 books. Craft paper, comedy note, writer's book, more craft paper, and then another 3 craft papers. So by far, craft paper are my best genre, if you can call that. But yeah, this is when I had maybe, I've only got 92 books now, so this is when I had maybe 10 or a dozen books up. And that's it. So I sold 6, sort of 8 books, 6 of them were the steampunk craft paper pads. I've showed you how to make them before. Check out the channel. It's in there. Even in this darkest of days, back when I wasn't doing anything, these were just, they were selling still. And of course they sell better now when I've got more. There was 1 wooden planks, and then 1 comedy writer's notebook. And how much did those 8 books make me, I hear you asking? Well, hang on to your backsides. $12.59. So we'll say that's roughly $15. $15 isn't a lot, but it's money for nothing. Because I say I haven't even touched. I probably didn't even log into KDP for a good 2 or 3 years. No, that's a lie. 1 or 2 years after this. So yeah, just lost interest. Sales dwindle down, as they do if you don't keep on top of your metadata and things like that. So at £12.59, £8.56 was 1 book. And I made £2 on this book. It all depends on where they sell. Although, that's straight from the UK, so it's a bit odd. And then that one. So all UK sales, £12.59, nothing to write home about at all, but it's money for nothing. These books have all been made by now. They didn't take very long. Did them in January, and that's it. So these are all books that I'd made, three months prior to this. So the sales are dwindling a bit, but it's 12 quid for doing now over the course of a year. If that didn't improve, but it does improve. This is the worst month for a long time. It's still like 150 quid, which is something towards your electricity or gas bill or something. That's it for today's video. Just a quick one. The figures do get better, but to be honest, they don't get loads better for a while. Hopefully this just gives you a bit of hope. Stick at it, keep doing it, and you'll be able to make better books, you'll be able to make more books, you'll be able to make more money. But everyone's got to start somewhere, and this is where I didn't start, but I dipped down to. Just consistency is the key. Keep on doing research, keep on making books, keep on listing books. So thanks for watching. See you later.